Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the second day of May in the year 2025, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.67. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 83.15% since we first classified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 72 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.15% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The present 3-month trend projects a potential change of approximately 71% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 59% and 76%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 9.81%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from negative 64.55% to negative 8.12% over the next year. In tangible terms, this would suggest a future price range between $64.15 and $166.26. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices features the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate after Thursday's trading session. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price decreased by 1.88% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025, dropping from $184.42 to $180.95. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 3.27%, ranging from a low of $179.56 to a high of $185.44. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown a gain of 2.63%, with the volume decreasing on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator since volume should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume declined by 42 million shares, with a total of 66 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $11.96 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $186.65, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price stands 3.05%, or $5.70 below the 52-week high, and 20.39%, or $46.35 below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. A significant development today. The United States has agreed to permit Advanced Micro Devices Inc. to sell artificial intelligence chips in China under export licenses that include a 15% profit share. This effectively reopens a vast market and removes a significant growth obstacle. In the short term, this should enhance revenue visibility and improve sentiment. However, the profit-sharing terms and licensing timing could limit margins and create volatility driven by headlines. AMD's recent second quarter results demonstrated strong revenue, yet the stock price dipped following the announcement, emphasizing investor attention on guidance and margins. Expect some fluctuations in the near term as markets analyze execution. Compensating for this, a research note indicating that a competitor may postpone the release of new chips caused AMD shares to rise, illustrating how competitor timing can act as a short-term catalyst. Major spending plans on artificial intelligence from large-scale cloud service providers, along with a surge of AI deals and investments, including startups supported by AMD, indicate a sustained demand for accelerators. Over the long term, access to the Chinese market, coupled with strong enterprise and cloud demand, could significantly expand AMD's addressable market and justify higher valuation multiples, provided the company maintains product leadership and margins. Nonetheless, key risks persist, including regulatory conditions, competition, and execution challenges. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Saturday, the 9th of August, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD a cautious grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of Advanced Micro Devices. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. On any downward corrections, support is anticipated at $174.41 and at $159.21. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 13, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 1.88%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 79 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 67 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $177.44. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.88 between its high and low, which is approximately 3.27%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.07%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio can indicate that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.16. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $184.42. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices faces its first support level at $177.44. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Paul Darren Grasby, who bought and sold 49,831 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 0.522. In total, insiders acquired 455,442 shares and disposed of 435,159 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $172.82, indicating a decline of 4.49%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which corresponds to a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, alongside a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level presents a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Advanced Micro Devices stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 15th of August, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open higher by $1.03, starting trading at $181.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of this stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.